Welcome to our guide on the 5 best mirrorless cameras of 2025. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, mirrorless cameras are now the preferred choice for capturing stunning photos and videos. With their compact design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional image quality, these cameras are redefining creative possibilities. With so many options available, finding the perfect camera can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, we've done the research. By analysing reviews and customer feedback, we've curated a list of the very best. Each camera stands out with sleek designs, advanced features, and top-tier performance. The Sony Alpha-1 II is a technological marvel designed for unmatched performance. This flagship mirrorless camera integrates an advanced AI processing unit, improving subject recognition, including a 30% enhancement in human eye detection for sharp and precise shots. It boasts a 50.1 megapixel resolution, enabling high-speed continuous shooting with incredible detail. Its low-light capabilities are exceptional, offering selectable raw image sizes and dynamic range that suits various conditions. For video creators, the Alpha-1 II excels with 8K and 4K recording capabilities, delivering ultra-realistic footage at up to 120 FPS for smooth and dynamic results. Advanced stabilization, including optical 5-axis stabilization and dynamic active mode, ensures steady shots and smooth focus transitions. Additional features include a flexible LCD, high-performance EVF, professional-grade connectivity options, and ergonomic design for long shoots. Priced at $64.99, the Sony Alpha-1 II is a premium choice for uncompromising quality. The Canon EOS R1 is a high-speed powerhouse that captures fleeting moments with precision. Its 24.2 megapixel stacked sensor delivers exceptional low-light performance and minimizes rolling shutter distortion. The camera supports up to 40 FPS shooting, making it ideal for fast-action scenarios. Video capabilities include 6K RAW at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and 2K at 240 FPS, all in full-frame quality. Canon's deep learning autofocus ensures precision even in extreme low light, 7.5 EV. Connectivity is top tier with Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5G Glo Ethernet, enabling quick content transfers. At $6,295, the EOS R1 is perfect for professionals seeking flexibility and top-tier performance. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II is an all-rounder hybrid camera, perfect for both photography and filmmaking. It features a 45 megapixel stacked sensor for high-resolution photos and 8K RAW video. Dual-pixel intelligent AF tracks people, animals, and objects even when partially obscured. Eye Control AF allows precise focusing based on where you're looking. This camera supports customizable continuous shooting up to 30 FPS, capturing rapid movements in detail. It delivers flawless 4K video with minimal distortion and has Wi-Fi 6E and fast Ethernet for efficient data transfer. At $4,299, the EOS R5 Mark II is a versatile tool for professionals. The Nikon Z6 III offers cutting-edge versatility for both photographers and videographers. Powered by a 24.5 megapixel sensor and Expeed 7 processor, it delivers incredible speed and precision, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. High-speed shooting options include 120 FPS for JPEGs and 20 FPS for RAW files. For video, the Z6 III supports 6K recording and oversampled 4K Ultra HD for cinematic quality. Built-in stabilization provides up to 8 stops of vibration reduction, while portrait-focused features like eye detect autofocus and in-camera skin softening enhance results. Starting at $2,299, this camera is an excellent choice for creators seeking speed and quality. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 redefines hybrid creativity with its 25.5 megapixel sensor and dynamic range boost for vibrant images and videos. It records 5.7K ProRes RAW footage and supports 32-bit float recording for professional-grade video. Phase detection autofocus ensures reliable subject tracking even in low light or complex scenarios. Thanks for exploring the 5 best mirrorless cameras of 2025 with us. These cameras are packed with features to elevate your photography and videography to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews and recommendations. Got a favorite camera on this list or think we missed one? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.